Hi, I'm Ian Cull, the Technical Director of the Indoor Air Quality Association, bringing you an IAQA Tech Tip on assessing moisture after a flood. If your area has experienced flooding, you should retain a professional to assess your property for water damage. What should you expect from someone coming out to assess your property? First, expect them to sit down with you to collect information related to the flooding. Second, expect them to perform a visual assessment where they identify areas that have been impacted. Third, expect them to use tools to determine the location and extent of any water damage. Sure, you can tell if a surface is soaking wet with your bare hand, but your hand won't be able to tell you if there's slightly elevated moisture in a surface such as drywall. Professionals should come equipped with a moisture meter. There are two main types of moisture meters, pin and pinless. Pin-type moisture meters have metal pins that get pushed into the material being measured. They measure electrical resistance between the pins, which is a function of the material's moisture content. The second type of moisture meter is a pinless type. They use a radio frequency signal to measure electrical impedance, which is a function of the material's moisture content. These moisture meters can be referred to as non-intrusive because they don't leave behind two small holes as with the pin-type versions. These two types of moisture meters each have advantages and disadvantages, so it's best when professionals come equipped with both technologies. Taking moisture meter readings over every square inch of an entire property could take days, so measurements are typically performed in areas suspected of being damp. Professionals may use a thermal infrared camera to help them identify the damp areas quickly and thoroughly. Thermal infrared cameras don't measure moisture directly, so they should be used in conjunction with moisture meters. After assessing the property and determining the nature and extent of the problem, the professional should provide you with a strategy for drying your structure. If you'd like to have your property assessed for the presence of moisture damage, you can find a professional on the Indoor Air Quality Association website, IAQA.org. Click on the Find a Pro button in the upper right-hand corner of the homepage.